And what is I can't remember Chinedi Kedeze. No, see, some people with some girls wicked. And so one girl asked me, say, is Chinedi Kedeze really married? I say, yes. See, how will it be? How will it be? How will it be? See, waiting because so I could just sit down now and watch it. How Chinedi Kedeze take the.
You don't want Pekin now.
You don't want Pekin?
I don't want Pekin.
Wow.
Pekin could not reach like over a year.
Not true. But to think about how you take bond.
I do. Now your friend now go ask.
Yeah, I know, but I never feel asked that question before.
Do how you there?
How you take the? You go drop a cup. You go put inside cup.
Give her drink.
Drink.
But nah. We they get many people, many small people where they. So what's there?
Are you talking from experience? Bash. No, if you do bash, now you go die. Anyway, Lola, tell us what will happen on Sunday for people who don't know what's happen on Sunday. What's happen on Sunday?
Nothing they happen. Pass your Gamada live on stage. They happen. This year is called the Queen of Rampage. That means I will rampage the stage. I will do anyhow for people they like when they tear club.
Yeah, before you talk, Lola, see they do the hazard of ballet. You go dance ballet.
No be smarty.
Every night, every night when they go outside, I was in Lola. Let's go put. One day I go meet and say, "You okay? Are you up? You all right?"
They carry me like sack of potato. They drop for ground.
Waiting. This is like the fourth one now.
Yes, the fourth edition.
Okay, so waiting make people expect from.
Well, of course, you know, see, as we they bring up, of course, every year, anybody we don't come my show once, gonna say, I they bring everything when I get for my arsenal. And they bring up, and they throw away music, and they throw away artists, and they throw away comedy, skit, drama, dance, performance, juju, or tomoko. I mentioned that one. I don't know, say I mentioned all those ones.
Okay. Anyway, our phone number is there on top of your TV. Make you begin to call us now to for talk to Lolo. And then also, if you get this answer, Lolo, what question we go ask them? I want to ask them, say, what be the name of Lolo radio show?
Some people know they hear well.
So, what be the name of Lolo radio show? We are giving her 5 tickets. That'll be 5 you talk.
Now 4, now I talk.
6, no, she says 6.
6 I be. You see,
you
talk 4. I say 5. You days. So come on, you for me. For me do.
You forgive me as a gift to your listeners.
The more you live for me do for 5.
Your watchers.
5 tickets now they give out.
They buy the 5th one.
Nah, no, the 5th one was there. I mean, how much
you know.
Lola's ticket is cheap. Now I'm going to make me like Lola. Sure, ticket don't be plenty like that. 5K. One much is 5K. 5K for Medicaid. In not rich lip gloss.
No, not rich. Our lipstick self now like 4, 5.
That time why they do makeup. That time why they do makeup. If you see what art they do makeup.
I know you go put foundation called Rich Lintel.
Yeah, I go do foundation. After I don't do foundation, I'll come do lintel. If I don't do lintel, I'll call roof. When I don't roof like this, your father. Anybody will look me like this.
You they finish.
Aluma concealing. Anyway, I'm going to present to your team. Make it call us now so they can answer the question. And then on top Twitter too. Hey, this one, you know the wait more to finish before you tweet. Anyway, Lola, make I ask you again. Now, tell us, what do you make we expect apart from music and comedy?
There's going to be dance, of course. You know, say there's no way where I go there on top stage where I not go be complete art. And they like it when you come for show. You see a little bit of rishi things the way you go battle. So if you not like dance, you must like comedy. If you not like comedy, you go watch skit. If you not like skit, you go watch drama. So everything I miss. You don't like hip hop, Fuji small day. Pasuma go there on top stage. So even if you not like,
they come.
And I get 2 surprise guests. Anybody with a board in the, if you know, say you watch TV from the early 2000s, I get 2 mad guests. Once you see them, you go run now.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
My sister, how is you?
It's me, Ledonde Kime.
What is your name?
My name is Mrs. Chuku.
Mrs. Chuku, are you with me?
I am with you, Ledusco.
Get it?
Hey.
Madam, let me see you. Yes, now one with you I want.
Yes, it's just a swag.
Oh, is it beat?
Number one of Wazobia.
Hey, mama.
The Lolo.
Hey, mama.
How you say that?
Adeo, your baby
Don't
there.
you?
You don't say. We know they meet for that place where they meet.
Don't worry, I pray I win your ticket. Now I call your show.
No problem.
Ngwa, answer me. What will be the name of Lolo a radio show? And
Lolo.
wait, Madam Chuku. After you don't give me the name of Lolo radio show, how many elements you get for your show?
Ah.
Oh,
I got Madam office now.
Now you sure say now the name be that?
I got Madam office.
Are you sure now got Madam office? That now one. Okay, if wait. Oh yeah, wait.
I got Madam office.
Wait now.
Number one of Wazobia.
Wait now. Now you call. Now me to answer you, Madam Chuku.
And they wait.
Oh yeah, sing the song where then they sing today for Welcome Lolo show for radio. The song where then go sing before Lolo come sit down, open, begin talk for radio. You say now got Madam office,
baby. Oh baby.
Okay, Madam Chuku, thank you. God bless you. We don't hear.
Oh, baby.
Idame, kuchi. I'm gonna thank you now. Bye bye. Voice. Hello, Mr. Omomo.
Yes, hello.
My brother, how is you?
I'm fine.
Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Lolo, they here. Answer that question. What I ask?
Wait, we can ask Lolo a question first. Lolo,
Ask her.
Lolo, you don't marry. I don't marry.
You want marry me?
I won't marry you.
You don't get money.
But you don't get my money. We don't get from Banana Land.
You get filling station?
Please, I can get refinery.
Oil block.
You get oil block?
I get
refinery.
You get refinery.
Maybe not oil refinery. You feel me? Not oil refinery.
You don't buy your wedding suit.
But this one, I get a use.
You don't get suit for wedding.
Agbada.
Now you want wear.
Yes, now.
You don't write hall? No hall. TBS.
No, we go to ship.
Now sheep.
This
This is the will of God. You are my will of God. Nedu na go officiate. You know, say Nedu don't get fake pastor certificate.
Is this?
Boss.
Now is
Is this? What you
Oh, yes, no more.
Mama, answer my question. Other people they wait to call. Answer my question, not sister.
You want
Answer my question now.
Every question. Tell me answer.
What will be the name of Lolo radio show?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
the man
Hello?
voice don't change you.
My name is Daniel Mama.
How old are you, Daniel or Momo?
6 years.
6 years.
Yes.
Hey, how is your mommy?
Yes. He's fine.
Hope you are taking your vegetables.
Yes.
Hey, Honan. Do you want to answer the question for your daddy? Because your daddy doesn't know.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, answer the question. What is the name of Lolo's radio show?
Omatunde Lolongon. Up Wazobia.
My brother, you need intervention. You need intervention in your life. Oh, yeah, Mama, thank you. Good night. Hello, good evening. Ola.
Good evening.
Ola, how is you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Are you with me?
I'm with you, Nedu.
Answer my question why I asked for Lolo show.
Okay.
What will be the name of Lolo radio show?
Radio. Okay. The show is Oga Madam Office.
Okay, one. Now, what will be the song where then they sing as the sweeper called Jungle? The jungle where then they sing.
Opening jingle.
Opening jungle before she open her mouth talk. Sing that song.
Omatunde Lolo. Omatunde Lolo. For what? Hello?
Yeah, FM.
For Wazobia FM.
Okay, Ola. You know what's going to happen, eh?
I do with you.
You go call. You call us back again by 9 o'clock. Make you call us back again so that we go tell you how you go take your ticket. Or if you fit, make you come. Our radio station. You know where our office is?
It's me and Crescent.
Come 2678 me and Crescent. Make you come tomorrow or come on Friday.
No, Allah. Nedu. I love you, die.
I love you too, my baby.
Ifeanyi, good evening.
Good evening.
My brother, how is you?
I'm okay, and you?
Now we are there fine. I pass the capacity. Answer my question. Lola, then we'll talk to Lola first.
Lola, how you doing now?
I do, Kakwe. I did very well.
Well done.
Thank you.
Now, 1st of November, now we will show every year whether we win or we don't win.
Trust you. This one now my correct fan.
Ify.
Now, composing subject. Now, you know the past Busa Center now?
Now so, now share.
No, next year, na equal there.
Now
From day one, Oga Madam laugh on stage, Oga Madam laugh on stage. We don't miss them.
Okay.
Try pack your whole compound, the landlord, everybody. You I want to talk something now. Thank God. You want to answer my question?
They don't answer.
No, I don't want to answer question, but all I know is I must be there.
You okay? Oh, you're a big boy. You don't buy ticket already. Now you and your wife won't come.
I'm not sure how long. Me and my family they come there now.
Okay, I'm gonna see you on Sunday. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna good night. Hello, good evening. Hello. Now on top Twitter, okay, Chuku Obioma say Oga Madam office that na one, and then Oga Madam office Kayode Green. Bimsi say double toilet Lolo one. You are doing us proud. More grace. Okay, more grace. And then Anthony Cyprian, call Cyprian, mom. Oga Madam office. Rachel Nigeria witchcraft. They do how far? Easy, nothing do you. Lolo one, are they watering your swag? See as you're pitching the flow. They do I beg learn from her. Is it your pitching? You see why I call you witchcraft from beginning? My sister, you're a witchcraft. And then Risberry talk say the name of the show na Oga Madam office. Lolo radio show na Oga Madam office. Adegbega Adeusi na wetin in talk. And then James Amo something like that. At Lolo one Oga Madam office. And then Okechukwu Obioma say Lolo you don't marry.
Hey, this marry matter. You want marry me? Now be the biggest question we will go ask. And you know say to marry big girl. I know be new now old pikin I want marry. So that means say my own bride price no be like the oyoyo. This one go carry.
And if they marry Lolo, may you know say Lolo come with a manual.
Yes.
Because how to love her,
yes.
how to kiss her, how to romance her.
Yes.
Now for the manual you feel see. Now place your hand on the right hand side. All those manuals. So therefore, if you want marry Lolo, it comes with a manual. Think about it. Anyway, maybe we'll answer Informa call before we go break. Informa, how is you? How many tickets you don't give? Don't give one, Abi.
Just one.
Yeah. Hello, Informa. Ify. Ngwa call us back. Oh. Hello, Piadu.
Good evening.
Hey. My brother, good evening. How is you?
We are fine, no?
Are you okay?
Very okay.
Ngwa answer my question. What is the name of Lolo radio show?
Make I greet Lolo first now.
Oscoff, she there here.
Lolo, good evening.
Good evening.
I beg, where the manual did, I want to download them.
This one is exclusive manual, no be manual where you go feed download on top internet free.
Download them.
Nah, you not feed download.
My brother, you're wasting your time. If you download them, where you not enter, there's no use.
You know, get the password.
Make I read them.
You're not going to crack them. Because when you download them, you don't need to crack them.
Come from?
Now, Abuja, you na government worker.
I near Aso Rock now.
You just near that, no be say they live inside. Oh, Biadu, now live inside, now they fine.
Now live inside, would they fine? Once they live inside, no problem. Then you are free, and we'll give you the code where you
yes,
download
so
them.
Go download
the way you download them, then you don't enter.
Good
Hello,
to go.
you're good to go. Leave me there.
Evening.
How is you?
I'm very okay.
Lola, one day here, talk to her.
Evening, Lolo. How are you
How
doing?
you
You got the
doing?
blush already for the blush. You go to him with
How
Okay,
you
good
doing?
evening. Good evening, no.
Good evening.
blush.
Yeah, how are you doing now?
With the manager, we do
I'm
the
the
hustle.
first time caller. I just wanted to just say hello. And then also answer Oganeju's question.
Oh, yeah, answer the question.
Oga Madam office.
When did they start for radio?
Oh, yeah. Seriously, I don't know that.
Okay,
Yeah.
you know the song where the jungle, where did they first sing before she open her mouth talk?
Someone answer the question. Should I answer it again?
No, answer now.
Okay. The song
Not song, we know, not be poetry.
My brother, are you okay?
I'm very okay, sir. Very
Who
okay.
they touch you there where you did?
I'm just on myself here. Very okay, very okay.
Make you go chop evening food.
You don't
You say
chop?
what?
You don't
You say
chop
what?
night food?
Yeah, sure, now, why not?
What do you chop?
Yeah, an egg.
No. Yam and egg.
Yeah.
Ma give him.
Now give am a person wey no sabi.
Oh yeah, now okay, make I ask another one. Now when be the time when Lolo show they start for radio?
Problem, I
know.
don't know.
You don't know, my brother. You need Jesus. I'm gonna thank you. Oh, good night. That's you the blush like the person they talk on you. From Lagos, good evening, Ibiko. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
How is you?
I'm good.
What is your name? Toyin.
Toyin Olapade.
Olapade. Oh yeah, answer. You want to talk to Lolo first before you answer question, or you want answer question then talk to Lolo?
Lolo, one of every.
One name, how you dey?
I'm good, Lolo, one.
Yes, mama.
Enjoy your program,
Me sef I dey gbadu you die oh. Plenty.
All right,
Answer question.
Okay.
Answer now. You don't know. I make I ask you again.
Ask me which question, yeah?
Okay. What will be the name of Lolo radio show?
Oga Madam.
Oga Madam
Madam office.
Okay. Now, you get one jungle, one song where then they sing before the show starts. You know the song?
Yes.
Ungwa sing it. I'm just sing.
Lolo, Omotunde Lolo one for Wazobia FM.
Hey, clap for you. Toyin, you know where our office day?
Yes.
Oh yeah, come make you come tomorrow or come next tomorrow, come collect your tickets.
Okay, Lolo.
Thank you,
One
mama.
of every.
You don't do now, you don't collect tickets, they go. From Lagos, good evening.
Hello.
How is you, my sister?
Who your sister?
Now, man, you be?
I'll be man now.
Jesus!
How far are you now?
Chris, good evening. No, talk to Lolo.
Lolo, one of Wazobia.
Yes, boss.
I greet you.
I dey hail am, I catch am.
I see your program, no be small.
Thank you.
What is the name of that radio program?
Now Lolo one now. No. Oga Madam office, yo.
Ngwa sing the song, The Jungle.
I don't remember. Do I remember now? The way they congrats, the way they use the startup now, I remember.
Oh, yeah, sing it now.
You want to perform my hand?
Sing it now.
Now nice and TV now. Congrats, so that's
Congrats.
Another word you do. Okay, now which time Lolo show they start?
Now 10 now, after you don't finish now.
Now when her show they finish?
When they finish now by 2, now by 3 they finish now.
By 2?
3.
By 3.
Are you sure?
I want to go sure now. They follow me, God, so everybody they inside.
Okay, no problem. You go know whether you win something or not. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
All right.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
My brother, how is you?
I'm fine now.
How is your ministry?
Thank God.
Ngwa talk to Lolo.
Well,
I greet you.
good evening.
Good evening.
How was everything?
How was it?
Everything was fine.
We thank God.
Well, answer my question, my brother.
I didn't answer the question. I want to talk to Lolo.
Ngwa, no verse. Nigga one. I'm gonna talk to it. Sorry, talk to her.
Hello, Lolo.
Hi, Baba.
You do so good, though.
You dey feel the look.
I didn't see her, no be smart.
Hey, Chineke, I like am.
This was some kind of you tripped me here.
What did they choke you?
This is your trip. This is your head now. The thing they trip me so you have to say the American girl.
Friday.
Friday or Wednesday.
Bye-bye.
Alright.
Thank you. Hello. Anyway, more bass, more chicken break for you. Now we come back. We'll go ask Lola why because Lola now she go ready for school. Waiting carry her enter here. When we come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.